The sons of men they know not yet, the sons of God cannot forget. Age after age we're born anew, light after darkness will lead in truth. If you have forgotten the one you may call Father, this was all a part of the plan, to fall asleep and separate from the kingdom, our homeland, to journey down to the darkest depths where illusion consumes the all, to embody the drop and forget the ocean, deeper you will fall. For there are lessons within this separation that otherwise could not be taught. Purification of etheric bodies, the alchemist consciously sought. We must rid ourselves of rotting garbage, accept only beauty and truth, dance with the stream of light uncharted, and the world will begin anew. As the bucket is poured from the heavens above, repent and you'll be free. Let pure light stream into your heart space, heaven on earth will be complete. So is said and so is done, as is written with our stars. Sons of men, now sons of God, the new age, it now starts.